Welcome to the Invisalign app. This app will help you keep track of your Invisalign aligners as well as allow Dr. Lee to keep an eye on your progress between appointments. When you first open the app, the main screen will show what aligner number you should currently be wearing and how many days until you should switch to your next aligner. There's also a timer on this screen to track your non-wear time. Make sure you don't go over 2 hours of not wearing your aligner each day to ensure your teeth movement stays on track. At the bottom of the app, there are tabs to the different subsections. Let's start with the My Care section. At the end of each aligner, you will use this section to send photos to Dr. Lee. Dr. Lee reviews all progress photos personally to ensure your treatment stays on track. To take the photos, click on the camera logo and select Taking with Cheek Retractors. Make sure you take the pictures in a well-lit area, like a bathroom, and have someone help you if possible. The app will then walk you through each pose and angle for the photos. Once you get the correct pose lined up in the box, it will turn green, say hold still, and take the picture for you. Always be sure to wear the aligners you have been to take the photos. Also, when wearing the cheek retractor, make sure just your lips sit in the grooves, not your teeth. After you take all 9 photos, send them in along with any questions, comments, or concerns you may have. Of course, you can always text or call us too. Once everything is sent, then you can switch to your next set of aligners. If we go back to the My Care subsection, we will find a button that says Virtual Treatment Photos. This is where you can review all past photos you have sent to Dr. Lee and compare your progress to how your teeth look now. Let's move on to the Messages subsection. Here, you can see all past correspondence with Dr. Lee through the app. If your aligners are tracking correctly, you will receive an automated message that says everything looks good. Don't worry though, Dr. Lee will still personally check on all your photos as soon as she can. If your aligners are not tracking well, this is where Dr. Lee will message you with additional instructions. If you have any questions, you can send them here. However, if you ever have anything broken or have questions about an appointment or your account, please reach out to our office directly. Finally, let's take a look at the Me section. There are 2 parts to this subsection, Settings and Support. The 3 most important parts of the Settings tab are the Smile Gallery, Aligner Schedule, and Calendar. Let's begin with the Smile Gallery. When you click Smile Gallery, it will open a Photos page where you can take selfies to document your smile for yourself. It also has a page titled ClinCheck Plan. Your ClinCheck Plan shows where all of your attachments are located as well as how your teeth are projected to move with each aligner. If you ever feel like you are missing an attachment but can't quite tell, you can cross-reference your teeth with the model to check. Going back to the settings, let's select Aligner Schedule. We have already set up your aligner schedule for you, but this is where you can see how many days you need to wear each aligner, as well as each aligner's corresponding dates. If Dr. Lee ever instructs you to wear your aligners for a different amount of time, your aligner schedule can be adjusted. Simply click on the aligner number and change the days of wear to match whatever she instructed. For example, if you sent photos of an aligner that wasn't fully tracking after 10 days and Dr. Lee instructs you to wear them for 3 more days, you will change the days of wear to 13. If Dr. Lee just wants you to wear one specific aligner set for a different amount of time, go ahead and press Save at this point. If she wants you to start wearing all your aligners for that amount of time, for example, start wearing all your aligners for 13 days instead of 10, turn on the slider labeled Modify Days of Wear for subsequent aligners, and then press Save. Let's click back to our settings one more time to take a look at the calendar. The calendar gives you a breakdown of both when you switch aligners and when you send photos to Dr. Lee. It keeps track of all your activity all in one place. If we go back to the Me subsection, there's also a Support tab. Here, you can find help and instructions on how to manage your Invisalign aligners as well as your Invisalign app. There are a lot of great resources here, so be sure to take a look. Those are the main aspects of the Invisalign app that we will be using throughout your treatment. Hopefully, this tool will help you feel more confident and on track with your Invisalign journey.